The Holy Spirit knows the kind of equipment to sculpture out the hard core of flesh in me, in you. He knows the machine to use. These machines are troubles of life. He knows the trouble that will break you, no matter how hard you are. He knows how to bring the word in a way that it will break you. Men of God are in sizes. There are men of God whose size is just like shoemaker hammer. And there is another set of men of God whose size is the carpenter hammer. There is another set of men of God that the size of their life, and when I'm talking of their life now, the effectiveness of the input that will come out of them is like the sledgehammer. When the Lord bring them into your life, they will begin to dig your life. You will be crying. They will not leave you. If you run away, they go and pick you up again. Come and sit down. And even if you don't want to come, the Holy Spirit say, go back to your quarry site where I'm making you. But there is something you want to dig out.